want...
Dad, what's pulling us?
I don't know!
It's a planet! I knew it!
Loretta, I will never doubt you again.
May I have that in writing, please?
This snowstorm is intense. Leo, can you bring us down gently?
Gonna have to land in that snowdrift. Brace yourself.
Everyone okay?
I'm fine. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I don't get it. If there's a planet here, how come it didn't show up on any maps or scanners?
There must be some cloaking device that makes the planet invisible to scanners.
But Loretta's code showed that a lot of someones are using computers here. That's my girl.
Nobody knows anything about this place. I have to write about it in my brace flex. Dad, can we do a flyover?
Of course, Loretta. No booster power. I bet something got smashed when we crash landed. Let me figure out what needs to be replaced.
Mom, do you think whoever lives here made this planet invisible so no one would find it?
Could be, Miles. Keep an eye out for anything strange.
On it!
Now click left or right for more great shows, or subscribe to keep up to date with the latest Disney Junior YouTube clips.